Alright, lovely. Got someone in the background talking about something. But that's alright. Showing you guys my London session execution. So, to be honest, enough of all that. Alright, cool. So, price, this is my Asia session. Yeah, marked out. Naked chart, put the square on. And then we get into price action. Price action takes the lows of Asia, hits a key level and turns around. You see the inversion, you see an entry. For some odd reason, I read this FVG as the inversion FVG and decided to enter off it and prices at internal liquidity. The reason being is because I thought because price left the weekly OB, I was sure that it wasn't going to come back because it had already left it. So why? That was my bias. Of course, price inverted and went straight to the OB for TP. This is annoying because obviously we know this. Yeah, some mornings I am tired, I'm a bit groggily. And this is it, man. This is what being human looks like. Not happy. Just looking at price now to see if price is just acting irregularly. Because and I would say yes, because price usually bounces off the OBs and moves off. When price reached these highs and decided to turn around, for me that's a bit irregular. I think it should have shooted up to another weekly OB. Alternatively, it could mean that perhaps I don't have a sufficient amount of weekly OBs. I need to do, like I've missed one. I need to do my analysis and see if I've missed a level. Because if it's hit a level and it's turned around, then that means I just haven't seen it. Let me have a look. I can't see anything that would be affecting price. So, I mean, trades lose at the end of the day, strategies lose. So with my analysis that I'm using, I can't really understand why it would be the case. But regardless, I mean, I looked at news as well. Another thing to factor in, news. There were no news announcements. So usually in the London session, we'd move sideways. So that's why London session, they say, is always reverses or reverses a lot. Well, it typically does reverse and consolidate. Not reversal for distributions, call it consolidation. It usually does in London session. So some traders like to only trade New York. I don't like to wake up and not work, so I will not put the London session down. Yeah, watching price right now, a bit annoyed. To be honest, I went into profit yesterday. I made the most profits that I did made more profits than I did last week, and then turn around to lose all the profits this morning. Literally, I went heavy on both of them. Boom, boom, loss. So, not impressed from that. Not impressed with that. So tired, honestly. Give us a sec. I'm gonna put some sugar in my system. Oh, looking at price actions annoying me. Okay, so what I... let me look at price, actually. It's distracting me. Okay, so on a small level, on a macro level, yeah, I've taken the losses, but to be honest, it's not the end of the day. I could take more losses. It doesn't really matter, because on a long-term perspective, being forward-sighted, am I on a higher predicted scale or projection to make more money than last week? Yeah, of course, because I was already up more than my last week. So with that in mind, it means that the week should move. Do you know what I mean? So we're early in the week. Well, yeah, it's early in the week, so we can still get this money. Not really an issue. 9.41. Price is short enough. The weekly OB, as of course expected. But yeah, I'm not even gonna touch it. I'm not gonna look at it. I'm off the chart for now. I'll be back. London session. Cheers.